Hi folks, we're just highlighting our Target Tech Halogen light bar. It's in virtually brand new condition and boy is it bright. We only used it once. We thought we were going to have a snow plowing business and decided not to pursue that. But so the light bar, it only has several hours on it, literally, maybe 3 or 4 hours. And so it's time to give it to someone else, sell it to someone else that could make use out of it. It's suction cup mount, and boy do they hold tight, even on the highway. You won't have any problems with it. You just plug this into the cigarette lighter and go, and you can see we just have it hooked up to a battery. And it's the Target Tech SAE WW3-93. Good luck to all you bidders.